Today's race day replay is brought to you by Comp Cams, the absolute leader in valve train technology.
A whole shot victory, won it in the left lane earlier. He'll take the right side out of Harvest, Alabama, the 61-year-old. Called the Bad Cat right there, right lane. Number 8 qualifier, Brunson Grothis, coming up. Brunson took out his brother earlier in round number 1. His brother had problems on the line, but Brunson obviously has that Davenport, Iowa base Ed Honcho machine up to par. He's gone 404, so he's looking for some of that action here. The Indusalt Art sponsor machine, Grothis Drag Bikes, KPM, and Gosselin Motorsports. Here we go. T.T. Jones, 043, 042, the win light. Wow, look at that victory for T.T. Jones. How about that, man? I'm telling you what, age has no matter here tonight.
Since 1976, CompCam's proven technology has been pushing the limits on drag strips from coast to coast. Today, Comp is still the absolute leader in valve train technology. Comp Cams, engineered to finish first.